Good morning, traders. I hope you're all doing good today. I'm doing mighty fine today, mighty fine. Okay, so we're looking at the 2-minute. Excuse me. Every time I start talking, before that, I'm not talking to anybody. I'll be talking to myself, like right now in the video. Holy fuck. I think there's certain people that can, there's only certain people who can do this. Fucking talking to a screen and there's nobody there. Funny. Okay, so here's the open. We had a double top, right? But the divergence wasn't there. Does that mean we, don't trade? Oh no. Get in right there. Even if you got in after that candle and got in here, let me show you. Like say you got in right here. Either place would be good, and down it went. Yes, from the double top. That's what they're selling off of, a double top, even though it's not divergent. Okay? That's what I've noticed lately, that if you see a double top and there's no divergence, it's like, hey man, give her a go. It might work out for you. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Jelly bean. Okay, so we have lower lows. You guys know I told you so many times about the lower lows. You know how fucking awesome they are. Yes, indeed. I think that goes there. Oh, maybe there. Where's that up and down thing? Right here. Ninja Trader. Right there. Yeah, it's one less. Still. It's divergent and it went up. Or I mean, yeah. It was divergence to go up. I'm lost there for a sec. Sorry. Okay. Look what it was bouncing off of, ladies and gentlemen. What was it bouncing off? The main pivot of the day. This double P blue dash line. Yes, very important line. But only if you have the right pivot point indicator. Okay? Which I've had it right for a very long time. At first, when I was looking at the pivots, there was like 10 or 20 different pivot point indicators, and most of them were useless until I come across this one. And I've been using it ever since for like 13 years. I had it for MetaTrader also. Anyway, you know where it is if you want to pick up a copy. Okay, and you get my whole numbers indicator, 5400 down here, 5350. You get that too. You get that too, my friend, lady. What's this? My friends. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there was a trade in there. And then what did we have? Say you didn't catch, you were too scared to buy it here because they just whopped it down here, and I don't blame you. Like, I did a trade from up here and took profits a couple times, but when it changed and turned, I didn't buy until up here because I was scared too. I'm scared just like you. I'm a fucking scaredy pants. You know why? Because I'm human. You're human. This kind of shit, this V reversal, as Nettie calls it. He hates this V-shaped reversal. I hope he did okay today. I'll watch him after and see. But, yeah, man. I got in, I made some more. I got in again and I made a little bit more, but I was trading very, very lightly. Very small cons. Okay? So anyway, we have a lower close, buy it, and up it goes. And we have one more. Lower close, buy it. Oh, come on over there. And up it goes. Now up here, no fucking way would I buy any dips up here, even though they worked out. There's just no way. Once it passes this area here, it's like, it was even brave to take this one. I took it though, but with very small contracts. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the S and the P. Let's take a look at NASDAQ now. What did it do? NQ? Looks very similar, huh? Double top, sell off, yeah. Put in a low, a retracement, a lower low. Yes, indeed. So you got the divergence like this. And like this. Beautiful. Like a beautiful lady with blue eyes. Yes, so beautiful. All right, let's do another arrow here. Oh, we really need to put it there. So say you would have got in right here on the opening of the next candle beside this big one down. But that big one down would tell you, hey, hello, how are you? We're going down. Are you going to hop on the fucking train or what? That's what it was saying. And over here, even if I can't talk. Even if you got in on this candle over here, it told you the same thing. It said, hey, I didn't get in till up here, but I was still too scared. But anyway, I got in and yeah, it went up. So that's where you'd get in. Same divergent setups as the S&P with the NASDAQ, okay? So now we need to look at the rest of the stuff here. Come on over, you. Come on over. Okay. This is NASDAQ again. This is the 5-minute though, this time, and there's no divergence from the top. And there's no divergence down here either, see, because it took too much time to do the formation. Now, if we put it on the 1 minute, I'm sure it's right there at the bottom. Let's try. Yeah, of course. This is the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. We got to look at the 1 minute here on this chart because we got no 2 minute on here. Unless you use this stupid indicator that someone created. Anyway, I won't talk about that. I can't even remember the name of it. It was just not good. Offline charts. You'd use offline fucking charts on MetaTrader 4 to get a 2 minute or a 3 minute chart and loading the thing. It didn't work right. I didn't trust it. I said, fuck this. I'm not using this shit. And I didn't. Because I didn't trust it. It's just like my whole career, trading career, I guess you could call it. I've always had direct plugins. Plug-in to my PC for my internet cord directly in the back. Not through some goddamn modem. Okay? Or what do they call it? Internet. I don't ever really use it. What's it called? I know you guys are going, oh yeah. I don't know the name of it right now. It's wireless, man. It's wireless internet. There's a name for it. What the hell's the name? Anyway, it went up 160 points to the top. That was good. And we had a couple, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. That'd be the only 2 trades I would do on here. I wouldn't do anything up here. Look at it. It's weaving hills and going sideways and doing nothing. This is the kind of action you see when the move is over. You don't keep trading up there. Because what are you going to do? You're going to buy it up there? What if you buy it up there and they decide to wham it right back down to here? And they're known to do that shit. Look, it might be coming right now. It's going to go down. Don't trade up there. Remember I told you you got to buy near the bottom, but not at the bottom of the move? You need to buy down here. Okay? And on the way down, you need to sell from up here. Not at the top, near the top. If you get in here, down it goes. It would have been sweet. Same thing here, near the bottom. Not at the bottom. Okay. You know what I mean. You guys know. I say it to you almost every other day. Okay, so that's the NASDAQ. That was the 1 minute. There's the 5 minute. And the S&P is probably the same. There's no divergence down here. Oh, but we have some up here. We have higher highs. And right there, just like that. And you would have got short right in there. And as you can see, it went down 3. Oh, wow. No, it's not 300. It's 32 points. That's the S&P. It looks like it's 300, but it's only 32. Okay. And the Dow, what did the Dow do today? Oh, bad. Bad Dow. Bad. Look at this. Oh. Yeah, it's this day. What am I talking about? Oh. Okay, I see it. Higher highs. And a lower high on the OSMA. You would have got short below these lows. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. And you would have got short right in here somewhere. And look at that. Look at that fucking move. That's a monster move, man. 280 points to the bottom. Woo! That's fucking awesome. Gotta love that. And there's no divergence here to buy it back up. Nothing whatsoever. Pound dollar, what did it do today? Oh, it finally took it off. Look at that. Chop, chop, chop. Fucking got people long. They got people short, then they took it up. Then they got people long, then they took it down. And then they got people short again down here, and they took it way up. Gotta hate how they do that, eh? Over and over and over again, and you sit there and you go, why the fuck did they trap me in that trade? What the fuck is going on? That's what you're going to say to yourself, you know. You got to be careful. You got to think it through. You can't just jump on any trade and then go, woohoo, we're going for the ride. Because some of them don't go for a ride. They do a quick halt and you lose. You know what I'm saying? I know there's times that, you know, you can't help it. You'll get stuck on the wrong side. And that's all there is to it. Here's a double bottom. Okay, so you wouldn't want to sell down here anyway, especially right here. Say right here you wanted to sell it. Would you sell it after they bought it off of this right here? Wouldn't be too smart. You know what I mean? You wouldn't want to be selling it in here. You'd wait for it to break up and close above the 2 moving averages and buy right there. And we'd call it a cross up. And it went up 26 pips. Okay, let's quickly look at the euro. No. See, we have a low, retracement, lower low. But look at the valley. This valley needs to be less than this valley. And it's not, so there's no trade. But we did have one trade along the way. It's a lower close, buy it, and up it went. You would have been good. Pound yen, what did it freaking do today? Yuck. But first, let me show you this trade, because I just saw it right here, double bottom. That's a double bottom if I ever did see one. Is it perfect? No. Of course not. Right there, see? That one's going up. When this one's going up on the OSMA, it means the price is going to go up. Way up here. Oh yeah, man. If I'm acting a little quirky quirky today, I did it again. I gotta stop doing this or I'm gonna fucking die. I stayed up all night and fucking traded. And right after I finish this video, I'm gonna go sleep. Gonna go sleep. Yeah, I shouldn't do this. I gotta do it, trade in the day again. Okay. So if you got in here, the arrow goes right here. Hold on, Jason. You're getting ahead of yourself. So the arrow entry is right here. Yeah, it's right there. So your stop would have been right there at the swing low, and you would have got in. Up and up and up. It was good. It was good, man. It was good. You know, I mean, I'm so tired. Lower close, buy it up, it goes. Did it come back to your stop down here? No, no. It just went up. How far did it go up? If we got in here, how far did it go up? 132 pips. It was good. Now let's take a look at the EJ, Euro, Yen. Same chart, same shit. Different chart, different instrument. Yeah, it would have gone in over here. And they run it up, and they got everybody trapped up here who was buying up here because they're in FOMO. Oh, I missed getting in down here. Yeah, well, you shouldn't fucking buy up here if that's what you're doing, or if that's what you did today. You shouldn't be buying up there. Remember, I told you need to sell near the top, buy near the bottom, right? That's the way you got to do it. That's the way the big boys do it, the big dogs. Yeah, the big dogs. Oil. What about oil? I wanted to trade some oil today, and then I looked at it and I said, no, I'm not trading that shit. That's just a bunch of choppy shit. There's no divergence to sell it down this way because this high of the mountain is higher than this one, and it needs to be less than this one, right? And then down here, the valley's too deep, so there's no trade to buy it in here. There's no fucking trades on that chart. I hate that oil today. It sucks. It's just one big fuck you fuck up. That's what it is. They fucked all the people up. See, they got big candle up. They fucking trapped them in here, and then they took it down, and their stops were right in here, and they come and they got their fucking stops. Okay? Then all the people who are down selling down in here, okay, it didn't go very fast. It didn't go very far. And then they took it all the way up here. Why? Because they know all the people who are selling in here, their stops are here and here. And what did they do? They went and they got your fucking stops. That's what they did. Like trading all night, it's like it was hardly moving, but every little new little turn in direction, it would fuck you. Oh, it would fuck you. They fucked so many people last night. That's why I shouldn't trade then. I'm just fucking bored. So anyway, that's it for oil. Let's see, what did gold give us? Oh, same kind of shit as oil. Sorry. I sound like a lion or a tiger. I've actually petted a white tiger. The little bugger was nipping at my fingers. And I told her, I said, he bit me. These young girls, they're like 12, 13 years old. And they're right in there with the white tigers, the little pups, eh? Or, yeah, not pups. Yeah, pups, I guess you'd call them. This was in South Africa. I only stuck my hand in there once. I wanted to pet the tiger, but he wouldn't let me. He just bit at my fucking fingers. The little bugger. And then I told her, I said, he bit me, man, real good. And they said, oh, this is the last day. They said, this is the last day that we can, go in the same little pen with them and, play with them. Because another few months and they'll be fucking eating their hands off these little girls. So that was the last day when I tried to pet the tiger. White tiger, man. Really cool. Really cool cat. Okay, Jason, shut up about that. Okay. Is there any divergence here? No, man. Oh, yes, man. Sorry. Right over here, lower lows. Whatever. We'll just tweak it like that. Something like that. You would have got in right here. You see, just because you can see some kind of divergence doesn't mean that's what you're going to solely base your trade decisions on. Because it put in lower lows. Excuse me. Once the 5 crosses up above the 7, you can get along, right? And here's a hookup right here. Let me show you that. Right there. We got the sell fake and the close below the moving averages. And then we got the rally up and closed above the moving averages. And if you would have got in right there, it went against you a little bit and then it ventured up. Yep. Excuse me. Okay. Let's look at Bitcoin. Staying up there. XRP, are you staying up there? Yes, stay up there. Keep going, you motherfucker. And then we have silver. Starting to come back a little bit. Ethereum. Yeah, it's coming back. It's trying to go back up there. So that's it for today's video. I want to thank you for coming out and watching and, and listening. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you like what I teach you here on my channel, please leave a like. If you like, leave a like. That's all I ask from you. And if you're trading this afternoon, there's no news this afternoon. There's no news all day today. So anyway, if you trade this afternoon, power hour or whatever they want to call it, good luck and good trading.